Hello wonderful people, we have Amazon time. Right, this bit of tech for the car, bit of protection tech. Little box in a big box from Amazon, fantastic. Right, so we go. It is a dash cam. Now it's got quite good write-ups on Amazon, but oh, it looks like it's been resealed. Has it been resealed? No, it's just been scraped. Right, not that I believe all the reviews on Amazon anymore. Most of them are fake these days, unfortunately. It used to be a good little place. Look at the dust that's just come out of there. Disgusting. Right, let's have a look. It looks pretty good. The specs are all right. Usual rubbish inside. Manual. Should we see if it's badly translated to English? Use power cord. No, it looks all right. Maybe. Their Q1 next to their rear view. Right, okay. Load of rubbish. What have we got here? Register within the first 30 days. Why register? Warranty card. Very good. Let's have a look at this. What should you do if you get an error message related to blah blah? Right, so this is meant to come with a memory card, so let's hope it does. That's the main unit there, so we'll have a quick look at that. That's not bad. Well, I think what they could have done was pop another camera that side. It's really well made. Memory card slot. I'm not sure why that's sort of all like that, but it's what it is. It looks alright, quite well made. Really small screen, so I'm not sure you're going to see much on that, but it'll give you an idea of where it's pointing. Let's pop that back in there. And extra sticky pad. Nothing else in there. No, everything else is underneath this bit. Oh yeah, we've got a memory card. So it's right, it's not a ScanDisk Ultra, it's just an Ultra. So it's just a cheap copy, which probably not fast enough to render any decent quality video. It says a U3, we will see. I doubt that very much. I've got plenty of memory cards, so it's not an issue. There we go. So I was hoping it was a USB end, because I've got something already plugged in mine, which is a charger, and it doesn't have an output for it. Oh, that's a real pain in the arse. I suppose I could hardwire it in. It's not hard, it's a big lead. Right. Yes, my phone charger plugged into the... I'm going to have to find another place for it. Right, let's pop all them bits back. That is the... I don't even know what it's called. Let's have a look. It's called a Q7 Dashcam. There we go. Q7. Have a read. Right, I'm going to be installing that later, so I might give you a review on it. I don't know. It's only a dash cam. Is it worth it? If it's terrible, I will give you a review. Anyway, it's got 1 year warranty. It's got to have a 1 year warranty anyway. You're in the UK. And it's app enabled as well. Doesn't look like for iPhone though. From what I can see here anyway. Oh, we'll find out later on. Blah blah blah. Right. There we go. Like and subscribe. Right, the install is quite easy. I will quickly show you where it is and turn it on for you. There we go. Oh, it's already on. It's connected to my... it's pretty easy to install. I don't expect it to stay up there for long. Simple fact why I don't expect it to stay up there too long is the gluey stuff that comes with it. You can see it from the outside of the windscreen. It's not fitting on brilliantly well, so it might be down in the morning, but we'll see. I'll try and add some actual video footage as well to this video,